Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook 15-inch M4 2025, and you can see the chip is Apple M4 and RAM is 32 gigabytes, and also you can see the display is 15.3 inch, and the storage is 1 terabyte. You can see the battery information. The battery capacity is 100%, and the cycle count. You can see the cycle count 7 times. And let me show you the graphics. You can see the graphics 10 cores, and this is the CPU cores 10 cores, and 4 performance and 6 efficiency. Okay, you can see this is the midnight color, the beautiful. You can see the beautiful keyboard. And the only you can see the battery only 7 times the cycle count. Okay, no scratches, and you can see the surface, the logo surface. Okay, okay, no scratches, only the fingerprint. Okay, beautiful color. Okay, M4 32 gigabyte, 1 terabyte. Okay. And let me show you the back. You can see no scratches here. Little scratch. Okay, here no scratches. And let me show you the ports. You can see the charging ports. Okay, the shining charging ports. No problem. And this edge no scratches. And let me show you this edge, no problem this edge, and this edge also. Okay, no problem. The headphone jack, no problem. And let me show you this edge. Okay, a little scratch here. Okay, no problem. Let me show you the 50-inch display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. The gray color. Okay. Now you can see the display is okay, no problem. The display, no problem. No bright spots and no dark spots. Okay. And also here, no problem. Let me change another color. The red color. Okay, the red color also no problem. And let me show you one more time the specification. You can see the 15-inch M4 2025 and the 32 gigabytes, and the 15.3 inch and 1 terabyte. And the battery information, you can cycle count 7 times, and the battery capacity 100%. Okay, that's a beautiful machine. Okay. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. The keyboard backlight, no problem. You can see. Okay. Okay. See you in the next video.